There was a time a young woman used her voice to help others fight their battles. But who helped her fight hers? Emman Atienza, a voice for mental health, a soul who spoke about pain. Wala na siya. Siguro dahil sa'yo. She was outspoken, honest, but even the bravest voice can break in silence. Lalo na pag ang social media ay puno ng panghusga. Dala ay sugat ng panghusga. The truth is, she's not weak. She just lost to a world na nakalimutan ng paano maging mabait. We Filipinos take pride in being the most hospitable. Talaga ba? Because hospitality is not just at home. It should live in our words and in the digital world. What you say, how you react, it echoes. Emman's death is a wake-up call. Behind the post is a real person. Isang anak, isang kaibigan, isang taong may sugat at may pinagdadaanan na baka hindi mo naiintindihan. Huwag nating kalimutan na libre lang maging mabait. We choose our voice to promote life and slay, and not take it away. This is Unfiltered, just me.